Well, it's about 7:30 in the morning. Just got over here to the job at 6. Trying out a new lens on this GoPro. I got a GoPro Hero 10. And then I have the real wide angle lens. I'll have to see how this little thing goes. Oh, it's unlocked. I dropped some stuff yesterday. Oh man, having this guard on it makes this door really stiff. But I dropped some stuff out of my pocket yesterday, and I need to look for it. So dig around a little bit and see how today goes. Hopefully I'll be in everything again. We'll have to see. So yeah, see how today develops. Well, it's 8 o'clock. Waiting for Josh to show up. I'm over at the pit. Gonna load myself, so I just backed the dump truck up over there. And wait for Josh to show up too. But I can start loading myself in the meantime. Charlie's gonna be on the dozer, try and get the road finish crowned out and all roughed in and all that kind of stuff. It's nice crisp morning this morning, but that's what a shale pit looks like. Shale's real brittle, real flaky. You can break it real easy. Compacts down real well to make a road base. Then you top it with like SB2 or gravel or kind of whatever you want. Really, SB2. You can do class 7 or 57, but SB2 is most popular around here. But there's a hole way back over there we're going to be digging out of. This will eventually have to kind of fill in so it doesn't hold water. Cut this a little bit better. But I don't know. That's not my problem to deal with. But for now, we'll get on the old one. This one lives at this pit. It's not ours. And we'll load myself, go take Charlie a load. Hopefully Josh will be here by that time and get the day going. Well, it's 3 o'clock. I haven't videotaped very much. Jared's loading me right now. Pit's looking pretty good. I was loading myself, so I haven't really had a whole lot of time to shoot a new video. The road's coming along nicely, but we've been trying to go as fast as possible, so it's taken a little bit of time today. Concentration, trying to run everything we can. I thought you had to be ready. Not yet. So I've left the GoPro down for a little bit to try and get a bunch of this stuff done. But it's coming along nicely. I'm gonna, when I get back over there and we kind of get done, I can show you what it's like to build a road like that. This is just for a little housing development. It's nothing too terribly special. Putting 8 inches in the top of the crown, 4 inches on the side. So when Josh was laying it down, he didn't lay it down thick enough. It was 1 inch in areas, and then 4 inches on the side, 1 inches on the crown, 2 inches on the sides, nothing on the crown. So Charlie's having to go back through it all again, try and make it right. So we thought we were done hauling loads, and then nope, we're wrong. Needed quite a bit more to go. Jared's brand new at loading, so he's very slow, but there's only one way to really get quick at it. It's just practice and practice and practice. But he's got to learn how to hold the controls down all the way when he's making his movements, and that'll speed up quite a bit. But I'm almost loaded. I go dump this, probably got 2 more to go, and we should be done, hopefully. Alright, I am done. So we'll go over there and go dump this. Maybe take a little bit of time to be able to take some drone video of this place too. It's quite beautiful up here. About 2.5 miles north of Dover. I don't even know how many houses are going to develop here. Probably not going to be too terribly many. 6, 7, 8 maybe, something like that. And this is all just the beginning stages of it. So I'm going down this haul road. I'm very heavy, so this truck twists and turns as it goes down this thing, so I'm having to try and keep my balance in this, sitting in the seat here. But I'm really digging this new lens. It's the widest angle lens you can get for it. It's called a lens mod, and then you can lock in the horizon on this thing so it stays super stable. And we're gonna play with that more and more. Ooh, my brakes are all covered in dust, squeaking like crazy. All right. Gonna try loading myself with this new lens I got for this GoPro. We'll see how it comes out. Well, and that's loading myself. Ashley and I are almost back to the red dump truck, picking it up to take it home, so I have to be at the plant at 6 in the morning, and it's 6 o'clock at night, so looks like I'm not going to be able to get a whole lot of sleep. I got to edit and turn out the vlog tonight. That takes a couple of hours. So she actually brought me dinner, which I'm lovingly call slop. It was stew, and now it's pig slop. So, yeah, it was alright. Needed more pepper, but other than that, it was alright. Kind of felt a little piggy, though.
Yeah, sorry about that.
So, bring the dump truck home. I already ate dinner, sort of. And then, edit, go to bed, get up early, be at the plant. To do nothing at the plant, just sit there all day. It's gonna be lovely. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do after plant. Probably come back out here. I was gonna take a bunch of video of the road and stuff and show you guys how it's being built. It's right here on the right. It's right in the curve. It's a dirt road. I got caught up doing everything. I had a roll pack with a loaded dump truck, and I just flat out didn't have enough time to even get out of the truck or stop for a couple of seconds or nothing. I was going to take some drone video, but Ben called me and said that we had to be there real early in the morning anyways, so I'm not going to bother doing that either. So we'll have to do all that another day. So we're going to just about to grab the red dump truck, which is right here. Grab it, go home, try and get some sleep, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Is that the Molly? Is that the Molly?
Brody.
Yes. That's Pam Pam. That's Brody. Hi, Brody. Yes. Come here, Pam Pam. Come here. Hi, Pam Pam. Yeah.